Hello, my name is Savannah Runge and I'm a drama instructor at Able Arts Work. Today is part 4 in our exploration of object work and object theater. Let's get started. Now, if you haven't seen part 1 through 3 of this video series, pause this video now, go watch those, and I'll meet you back here. Now, last time we met, we used our sensory exploration and our brainstorming to answer the who, what, when, where, and why of our story involving the object of a blue dinner plate. Let's review what we came up with. Who? The moon. A sad, lonely moon. What? Sneaking, trying to be quiet. When? In the middle of the night in winter. Where? On the beach. And why? To find a friend. Now that we've reviewed our setup, let's figure out our beginning, middle, and end. At the beginning of our story, we want to introduce our character, the moon, and set up the environment around them. That it's nighttime on the beach, and that for whatever reason, our moon is being sneaky. In the middle of our story, we want some sort of conflict or build-up. What we figured out last time, the why of the story, is that the moon is there to meet a friend. How can we make some sort of conflict or build-up with the fact that the moon is meeting a friend? Now, because I'm going to be the only actor in my story, and you'll be the only actor in yours, we can't actually have a physical other character. Therefore, we have to set up the conflict with other means. We have our object, our body language, and our face. How can we indicate that the moon, our main character, sees somebody nearby, possibly a friend, without actually showing another person? Maybe our character gives a wave. And at the end of our short story, we want some sort of resolution, something that makes the audience feel content and that the story is over. Perhaps our moon exits the frame very happy and excited with a new friend. How can we show that? Perhaps our moon runs or glides away out of sight to meet the new friend. Now that we have the actions of our beginning, middle, and end, let's look at our emotions. What is our character feeling at each step? Now, at the beginning, we know that our character starts off sad and lonely. In the middle, when there's some conflict or build-up, I think our character gets excited, for it sees someone in the distance. And at the end, our moon has found a friend and is happy and content. Now let's put it all together, add some sound effects of waves crashing or moving, and act out our full story. thank you so much for using your imagination and following along as we created a full short story with a random object that we found in the house. Now, this process can be done with any object you can imagine. The possibilities are endless. Be sure to check out all of the other wonderful videos on Able Artsworks' virtual learning channel on language, art, music, and more. And I'll see you next time. Bye!